president, impeachment, all of this at the same time with budget pa?
Well, time management siguro. For now, starting on Wednesday, yung impeachment will be in the morning. Then afternoons, 4 o'clock, whenever, 11, 12 siguro, will be the session. And then in hearings, I believe, we'll be doing it on Thursdays and Fridays.
Challenging times for the Senate, sir?
I don't know. I believe some of the minority will be cooperative naman based on our executive session. Yes, mga minority na kasama namin are okay naman working with us.
And there will be flood control hearings, sir? Are we assured of that?
Yes. We will just have to convene. Actually, it will have to be announced on the floor. And then, kailangan 3 days to send out the invitation. So, hindi na-abot siya this week. Probably next week.
Next week is really yes. Okay. Thank you, sir. Salamat.